Hi everyone, good morning. Good morning everyone. Good morning sa lahat na kasama natin sa ating live today. Yan, so welcome to our training for tonight. At syempre, ang pag-uusapan natin, it's all about our DTC or Distributor Tracking Center. Yan, and syempre before tayo mag-start, yan, shoutout muna natin lahat ng mga kasama natin watching us right now, tuning in and nag-share ng ating mga sa kanilang mga partners at community. Yan, batiin ko yung ating leader, mga kapatid natin from Bulacan, si Rose Digatan. Hi Rose, good morning. Yan, kasama din ng mga nasa ibang bansa, yung mga OFW na dami natin nakikita sa Middle East, yan, sa Dammam, sa UAE, sa Bahrain, yan, meron din sa Dubai. Yan, no? Maraming nanonood sa atin. Sa KSA, yan, si Milagros Anilon, yan. Sa lahat ng nanonood. Meron din sa Sweden, Australia, Canada, at sa Saudi, ayan po. And syempre, lahat ng mga kasama natin na nandiyan din sa Jeddah, Jordan, Kuwait, ayan po, sa Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, yan. Keep the comments coming. Actually, before tayo mag-start, i-share nyo po yung ating live para naman mapanood din ng inyong mga partners, especially the OFWs, yung mga kasama naman natin na nandito sa Pilipinas, i-type nyo naman, i-comment nyo yung mga partner ninyo na nasa Pilipinas, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, or even yung mga nasa ibang bansa. Yan, because I know some of the people in other country, habang sila ay may ginagawa, nag-work, they're tuning in, nakikinig sila para may learning din at the same time habang sila ay may ginagawa pinagkakabisihan. Yan, shoutout ko rin yung ating napakasipag na leader, si Sir Randy Gregorio. Hi, Sir Randy. Good morning. Yan, no, ang isa sa mga busy stage father because ang kanyang daughter is part of our search for Miss iGlow 2023. Yan, and speaking of iGlow, good news kasi to this month is the PMA of the month natin is yung ating mga iGlow collagen and yung ating iGlow serum. Teka lang, may kukunin ako tatanungin ko kayo lahat kung kayo ba ay nakapag-PMA na kasi ito, yan iGlow. Maganda na ito. Pwede mong ilagay sa kahit anong inumin mo. Pwede mo pang damayan ito. Di ba? Yan. Yan. So dapat ang tagline ng mga partners natin in our community for this month is only iGlow. Yan, touches my skin, no? Yan, sino ba yung mga nakapag-iGlow na dyan? Comment mo naman. At kung di ka pa nakakapag-iGlow, nako, you have to buy your PMA now. Kasi nakapag-NPP ka na, may PMA ka pa. At good news, may libreng product pa. Di ba? May collagen product pa nakasama dyan, di ba? That is iGlow, our PMA of the month. Yan, kaya kung di ka pa nakapag-iGlow, naku po, you have to try this now and experience it firsthand para naman bago mo i-share sa mga kakilala mo, talagang ikaw mismo naka-experience at nakaramdam ng ganda ng iGlow products natin. Okay? And ayan, thank you. Hi, Ma'am Rosario Lunasin. Done. Yan, done na po NPP iGlow Serum. Ayan, yan. Sige po. Sa mga nasa ibang bansa naman, you can purchase your order now. Pag NPP ka, PMA mo na rin for this month. And syempre, pwede mong makasama yung makatuwang yung mga partners mo na nasa Manila to be able to send the product sa'yo. Yan, kasi maganda yan ma-experience mo. Okay? So bakit ko po nire-reiterate yan? Kasi yan, part yan ng ating pag-uusapan natin today because tonight, we're gonna talk about our DTC or Distributors Tracking Center. Pero kung ready ka na makinig, matuto at syempre maliwanagan at ma-remind sa mga matatagal na naman nating partner, yan, i-type mo naman dyan, I am ready. Sige nga, i-type mo nga dyan, I'm ready sa ating training at pag-uusapan ngayong gabi. Yan, Iwana Aguilar Padilla. Yan, good morning daw. Good morning din po. Yan, Solomon Island. Wow. Shout out naman kay Carl Evangelista. Nanonood dyan sa Solomon Island. Good morning, brother. Yan, advance ng 2 hours ang Solomon Island. So, it's already 9 sa kanilang lugar. Ayan, ang dami ng I'm ready, I'm ready. Okay, kung ready ka na, ako rin, ready na at excited i-share sa inyo. Ngayon, ano ba yung importansya, bakit kailangan kang uma-attend ng, DTC Mastery? Bakit po? Kasi, like any other business, kailangan po alam mo yung technicality ng ginagawa mo. Ngayon, our product is a wonderful, multi-level marketing business that, has amazing products na isinishare sa ating community, yung mga ating food supplements. Meron din tayong produkto na insurance, yung Orvis Victus International, at marami kang mga partners na nakakasama sa negosyo. Now, it's very important na alam mo yung technicality. Kumbaga, knowing how your business and how your system works. Diba? Kasi parang ganito yan natuto ka mag-drive, knowing how to drive is not enough. Knowing yung mga bagay sa sasakyan mo, yung mga, sabi nga ng mga mekaniko, mga maliliit na detalye na pwedeng makaapekto ng pagtakbo mo or pagganda ng flow, ng intake ng iyong sasakyan. Ganun din sa negosyo natin. Dapat alam mo yung mga technicalities at alam mo rin yung sistema ng iyong negosyo. And that is in our distributors tracking center. Yeah, shout out, Tita Lights. Tita Lights, amping sa imo dyan, Tita Lights, watching from Bacolod. Yan. I miss you, Tita Lights. Yan, lagi nating nakakasama yan. When we travel to Bacolod, yan, napaka bait at yan sa service, talagang 100% our BCO owner dyan sa Bacolod and napakagaling na leader, Tita Lights. Okay? Now, let me share my slides sa inyong lahat para naman dire-diretso na tayo. Now, as you become part of our community sa Empowered Consumerism, syempre, di ba bumili ka ng package. Now, the first thing you have to do para maging part ka ng community is bibili ka ng ating package. Yung ating global package, yung POP package natin, or yung OVI package, whatever package na bibilin mo, then you will become part of our community. Now, sa pagbili mo ng package, makukuha mo yung produkto na binili mo inside the package, and the package will meron yung kasama na details na siyang gagamitin mo to be able to register your name, yourself in the system ng ating negosyo sa Empowered Consumerism. Okay? Now, yan, nakikita na ba yung slide? Teka lang para maano naman i-share ko yung slide sa inyo. Ito, yung slide. Yung ating website kung saan magla-login ka ng business mo sa ating Empowered Consumerism or yung Distributor Tracking Center mo. Yan. Alright. Yan. Ito po, para sa, yan, nakikita ko, good morning silang lahat. Ayan. Ang dami. I'm ready from Bataan, etc. Alright. Now, once you are part of our community already, bumili ka ng package, the next thing that you have to do is to put yourself in the system, in code, or register yung sarili mo. Now, after you register, ginawa na yan ng upline mo or ng mentor mo, then to monitor your business, dito ka nalang magpupunta. Yan po, sa easy5.empoweredconsumerism.com. Now, once you type that in the search engine sa Google, yan, lalabas po itong website na ito, and you will see here username and password. Now, as you register, nag-assign ka ng username para sa sarili mo at yung password para mabuksan naman ang iyong account. Now, the first thing you need to do is log in yung details mo dyan. Now, pagka-click mo ng continue, papasok ka na dito sa ating Empowered Consumerism Distributor Tracking Center dashboard. Ito po yung dashboard. Yan. So, dito makikita mo kaagad yung initial details nung tao na may-ari ng account na ito. Now, you will see there the profile picture with the rank and position at the moment ng tao na yon. And then makikita mo rin yung mga details dito, kamukha nito. All ID balance. So, ito yung kabuuan na balance ng lahat ng account na meron yung may-ari ng DTC. By the way, if you have multiple accounts, either 1, 2, 3, or 7, or 15, or 31 accounts, naka-isang username and password lang yan, naka-isang login details lang yan, makikita mo lahat ng detalye dito sa iyong distributor tracking center. So whatever is in the USID balance or balance ng kabuuang account, yan po yung makikita mo. Now, the one beside it, itong makikita mo naman na to, ito yung available balance naman for the particular account na naka-open. Kasi pwede kang may multiple accounts, pwedeng 7, pwedeng 15. Now, kung ano yung nakalagay dito sa pangalawa na yan, yan yung balance mo for that particular account na open. Now, what about the other accounts? Makikita mo dito sa may upper right, yan, sa may tatlong dot na yan. Pag kinlik mo yan, lalabas naman dyan yung details ng mga remaining accounts mo. So, for example, this account that I'm showing to you, ito meron niyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 accounts. Now, 7 accounts ang meron. Now, kung ano yung nakikita mo na may color green na nakalagay current, then that is the account na bukas or naka-open, naka-active, and all the details that you are seeing in the dashboard belongs to that particular account. Okay? Now, ayan yung account list. So, kapag may more than 7 accounts ka, makikita mo lang dyan, there's, you can just click more at makikita mo, you can browse it or drag it up and down, makikita mo yung remaining accounts na meron ka sa iyong pangalan. Now, next, makikita mo naman yung Easy Wallet. Now, itong Easy Wallet is yung Easy Wallet kung saan pwede mong magamit ito sa pag-purchase ng mga products, reorder, at pagbili ng mga packages online sa ating website, which I will explain later. Okay? Now, meron tayong makikita rin dyan na Travel GC. Yan, halimbawa, this one has 31 Travel GC available and meron din yung product GC na makikita. Now, these are the basic information that you will see the moment you sign up or the moment you log in your distributor's tracking center. Okay? Now, proceed tayo. Now, inside your distributor's tracking center, on the extreme left, makikita mo dyan, there are many tabs na nakalagay. Okay? So, meron dyan nakalagay na transaction, encashment, reorder, stairstep, unilevel, UPP, yung my rebates, e-store, lahat yan, papunta ng purchases, we will talk about that. Now, before that, dito sa may pinakababang part, pag kinlik mo naman tong account info, dito mo naman makikita ang information ng account na meron ka. You will see there the details kung saang country, yan, yung may-ari ng account or yung package na binili, ano ba yung type ng package, yung status, okay, ng kanyang OVI, kung siya ba OVI active or not, and then the remaining points for the left and right sales group mo. Yan, and all the available product GC, yung total commission, so on and so forth. Diyan mo makikita sa my personal information account info. Now, makikita mo naman dito sa leftmost side, yung transaction, dito mo naman makikita ang lahat ng ginawa, purchases, encashment, lahat ng transaction sa iyong negosyo. So, if you are, kung meron kang tinatawag na bank account na naka-passbook, hindi ba lahat ng mangyayari from the moment you open that account to the last withdrawal or last deposit na ginawa mo, makikita mo in the pages. Now, ganun din dito sa transaction. If you click the transaction, makikita mo ang lahat ng history ng transaction sa iyong negosyo. May it be encashment o yung nagkaroon ka ng UPP income, nagkaroon ka ng stair-step income, yung mga encashment mo and the withholding tax that is part of that encashment, yung pairing, etc., etc. Makikita mo po lahat yan. Alright? In the transaction history. Now, if you wanted to see how you're doing in your business, kung gusto mong i-check kung nagiging maganda ba yung takbo ng negosyo mo, maganda ba yung hataw mo, maganda ba yung resulta ng ginagawa mo, activities, etc., just go to the transaction history and makikita mo kung nagre-reflect ba dito yung mga actions na ginagawa mo to be able to grow your business sa empowered consumerism. Okay? Now, makikita mo dyan yung date of all the transactions, yung references, description of what transaction that you made, and the amount or kung ano yung specifics po dyan. Okay? Now, apart from the transaction, meron din tayong iba pang tab dito, the stair-step, unilevel, and UPP. Now, ito naman yung mga income na makukuha ng ating community members and distributors that they get to enjoy every month. Yan. So tuwing kailan ba na-enjoy ng ating community yung stair-step, unilevel, and UPP? Tuwing kailan ba? Today is October 17. Now, sigurado yung iba sa inyo waiting na, or baka yung iba naka-receive na ng kanilang stair-step, unilevel, or UPP, because normally it is given every month within the period of on the 15th to 20th of the month. Yan, diyan po nila na-enjoy yung mga stair-step and unilevel and UPP income. Now, in the top of the stair-step, pag kinlik mo yan, pati yung unilevel UPP, dito mo po makikita yung kabuang income na meron ka for that particular month. Yan. So, halimbawa, this one, on the upper right, makikita mo dyan yung total unilevel earning for that particular month. So, what's the month? On the left side, 2022, March. So, yan yung kinita, yung kanyang income. Now, on the right, most corner dito sa lower right, makikita mo naman yung summary ng kanyang income from the first to the 10th level generation. Di ba, pag unilevel, 10% on the first level, 5 to 10th generation, may 5% ka naman ng profit dyan sa lahat ng produkto na nabenta, binili, at na-produce ng yung organization. Now, on the left side naman, makikita mo naman yung unilevel history kung sino yung mga partners, downlines na nakapag-produce at nagkaroon ng magandang production for that particular month that was able to provide this earning ng total unilevel na meron ka. Okay? Now, next naman natin, makikita mo naman dyan yung option kung saan pwede mong i-review yung mga income na nakuha mo or na-enjoy mo for the previous months. So let's say this is March 2022, you can check the February, January, moving backwards, okay? So para ma-review yung mga income mo for the last unilevel. Now, ganun din naman sa UPP. Now, sa UPP, pag kinlik mo yan, makikita mo rin yung same information. The total UPP earning for the particular month, yan to March 2022 uli. Tapos yung kung ilang tao or how much is the summary of the income you have for that particular UPP. Now, sa UPP history naman, makikita mo rin dyan kung sino yung mga downlines partners na talagang nagpo-produce, nagki-create ng reorder sales, nagki-create ng product movement na nag-generate ng UPP earnings para sa iyong business, okay? Now, it's good thing na mayroong UPP history, makikita mo yung mga business partner na talagang gumagawa, nagpo-produce at talagang humahataw kasama mo, because these are the people that we have to take care of, and these are the people na kailangan na ma-train and ma-motivate and ma-inspire mo palalo para the more everyone is doing this, the more everyone is sharing, using, and selling the product, especially yung iGlow natin. Ito, iGlow natin, yung serum and then yung iGlow na collagen, the more na mas maraming UPP earnings ang mai-enjoy ng lahat ng members of the group and the community. Diba? So, that is the UPP earnings naman natin. Again, pwede mong i-review from the present to previous months. Okay? Now, kasunod naman yan is yung mga rebates. Alright? Now, yung rebates naman, makikita mo sa rebates. Now, the rebates comes with the position. Now, if you can still remember, in the stair step, there is a level for you to climb when it comes to the position and when it comes to the level of additional income para sa iyo. Now, as you climb the position, you get extra percentage na pwede mong ma-enjoy in your business. Now, pag nagsimula ka, you start with distributor, nagkaroon ka ng 10 points, you become SE, you get extra 10%. Naging GE ka naman, you get extra 20%. Naging GA ka naman, nagkaroon ka ng extra 30% rebates. Percentage commission from the total group sales na magagawa ng grupo mo. Ngayon, what is the relevance of the 10, 20, and 30% and the position for the My Rebates? Kung ano yung position mo, that is the percentage of the rebates na magiging applicable para sa iyo. So if you are Gold Executive, you can enjoy up to 20% rebates. Kapag ikaw naman ay Gold Global Ambassador, you have 30% rebates para sa sarili mo. Silver Executive, 10% naman ang rebates for you. Now, the rebates will come from the purchases, reorder at product na binibili mo at siyang ini-encode mo rin at inilalagay mo in your personal name. Okay? So that is in the My Rebates. So the more na marami kang personal purchases at inassign mo yung points, yung product in your personal name or in the top account, then doon mag-a-apply yung My Rebates. Okay? So makikita mo dito, meron din yung rebate history. Yan, click mo lang yung rebate history. Makikita mo yung mga products, yung rebates amount, and yung date of the transaction. Kailan ba yung mga rebates na yan na naganap or pumasok sa iyong business. Na ang galing, no? Kasi isipin mo, bumili ka na ng produkto, discounted na yung product, may points ka na for the product, di ba? Pwede mo pang ibenta for the retail yung product, pero yung points pag nilagay mo sa sarili mo, inilagay mo sa pangalan mo, sa top account mo, nag-accumulate ka na ng points for the position. At the same time, may rebates pa na pwedeng bumabalik sa'yo. Hindi ba? On top of the discount na nakuha mo as you purchase the product because you are already a distributor. Di ba? Kaya isipin mo na lang, napaka-generous talaga ng company that, because of these rebates na talagang meron pa extra para sa mga active na leaders and distributors at community natin na talagang tumatangkilik, bumibili, gumagamit ng mga produkto. Okay? Now, meron naman tayong tab dito on the left side, yung recruitment naman. Now, let's go to the recruitment. Now, sa recruitment naman, dito naman po yung area kung saan makikita mo ang lahat ng tao, new partners, new members, new distributors na pumasok sa iyong organization. Direct mo or indirect. When I say indirect, hindi ikaw yung nag-imbita, hindi ikaw yung kumausap, hindi ikaw yung tumrabaho. But there are people who are coming into your organization na ang nagdadala is yung downlines muna and down the lines. Now, when they enter your organization, when they join the business, they enter your organization, kahit hindi na directly ikaw yung nag-imbita, makikita mo pa rin silang pumapasok dyan sa recruitment's history. Now, because the recruitments can come from different sponsor, pwedeng directly sa'yo, pwedeng sa mga downlines mo. Na makikita mo dyan yung kanilang details, ayan, yung kanilang full name, makikita mo rin yung date kailan sila nag-register, and kung sino ba yung sponsor ng taong naging part or na-recruit in your organization. Okay? Now, you can also backtrack yung date ng recruitment history mo. Now, when I say backtrack, pwede mong simulan ito from the moment or the day that you joined Empowered Consumerism. So let's say 1 year na si Maria Faye sa negosyo natin. Then she can backtrack the date from first day na nag-sign up siya up to the present date. Makikita niya lahat ng recruitment history, kung ilang tao na ba yung sumali, napa-join, naging part ng organization. Makikita mo rin kung sino yung mga yan at kung sino yung mga tumrabaho. At syempre, nag-effort to look for these people na maging part ng organization mo. Okay? Now, of course, kung mayroong recruitment, meron din tayong direct sponsor. Yan. Itong direct sponsor naman is para sa'yo. Para sa may-ari ng account, para sa taong humahataw sa negosyo. Bakit para sa taong humahataw? Kasi the more na humahataw ka in sharing the business, sharing the opportunity, sharing the products, and sharing yung magandang company natin na Empowered Consumerism, Alliance in Motion Global, and Orbis Victus International, the more na mas maraming tao na makikita ka dyan sa direct sponsored mo. Okay? Because dito sa direct sponsored, nandyan lahat ng tao na ikaw yung nag-imbita, ikaw yung kumausap, directly connected sa'yo, at ikaw din yung nag-sponsor for them to join the business. Okay? Now, next to that is yung ating tinatawag na Product GC. Yan. Sa Product GC naman, para po malinawan kayo. Yan. So, the Product GC happens kapag nagkakaroon po kayo ng panglimang matching. Now, what do I mean panglimang matching? Now, you can see on your screen, in your organization, meron kang tinatawag na left and right sales force. So kapag may package sa left, may package sa right, magmamatch, meron kang 1,800 on the first. On the second, may 1,800 ka pa rin. On the third match, another 1,800 is waiting for you. On the fourth match, another 1,800. Now, what's gonna happen dun sa panglima? Sa panglimang matching, hindi na po 1,800 ang inyong marireceive, but you will get GC or gift certificate para sa panglimang pares or sa fifth pairing na nangyayari sa iyong negosyo. Okay? So that's how the GC accumulates. So doon dumadami at nadadagdagan ang bilang ng inyong gift certificate. Now, you can see here in the dashboard, di ba pinakita ko kanina, you are gonna see the number of product GC available. Ayan po. So this particular account, meron niyang nakalagay na 20 product GC available. Ibig sabihin, marami ng fifth pair or panglimang matching yung naganap, kaya dumami yung kanyang GC. Umabot na ng 20. Now, kapag may product GC ka naman, now pwede mo namang i-redeem yan. Okay? So, makikita mo sa gift check history, yan, makikita mo yung product available. Ayan, kung ano yung mga product ready for you na pwede mong i-claim. Okay? At pwede mong ma-enjoy. Okay? So, product na pwede mong gamitin, pwede mong i-share, pwede mong ibenta, you can turn this GC into another income kapag binenta mo into retail sales. Now, makikita mo po dito, halimbawa, I have 20. I-redeem ko 5 product GC. All I need to do is click redeem. Pag ni-redeem ko yan, makikita ko na dyan yung mga ticket numbers. Yan. Now, the ticket numbers, ito yung mga gagamitin mo naman for you to claim yung product GC sa ating office. Okay? So, makikita mo dyan yung ticket number, makikita mo dyan yung status kung sino nag-release, alright? And makikita mo rin dyan yung release date, especially the status kung yan ba ay nakapending pa or the product has already been released sa inyo at nandyan din lahat ng mga information, the dates and the release date and kung sino yung nag-release po niya mga yan. Okay? Are you following so far? Now, imagine mo, no? Hindi ka lang basta binibigyan ng magandang business with income, talagang binibigyan ka pa ng produkto na pwede mong gamitin at talagang para sa kalusugan din nating lahat. Diba? Because again, we must be the product of our own product. Kaya talagang importante na may product GC ka rin talaga para nare-remind ka rin na gumamit ng ating produkto na kung meron ka pa namang extra, you can sell it and convert it into retail profit para sa iyo. Okay? Now, what about travel GC? Ito naman, kung may travel GC ka, may 31 travel GC, pwede mo naman yan ma-convert into gadgets and prime travels. Yan, through PGI. So, ano ba yung mechanics niyan? To avail this conversion, para ma-avail mo yan, a distributor must be currently in prime position for 3 consecutive months and must have at least 30 PGIs on his or her account. Yan. So, kailangan ikaw ay naka-prime position 3 consecutive months at meron kang 30 PGI pataas. Pangalawang requirements para ma-convert yung GC into PGI, kailangan mo mag-avail ng energy bracelet. So, kapag naka-SE Prime ka, 6 PGIs ang kailangan. Kapag naka-GE Prime ka naman, 12 PGIs. Kapag naka-GA Prime ka naman, 24 PGIs. Now, upon availing of the energy bracelet, you may now use your remaining PGIs to avail of the exciting gadgets and prime travels ng ating company. You can use your remaining PGI para i-claim yung motorcycle, iPhone gadgets, yung mga MacBook and laptops, yung Samsung phones, or you can even travel for free using your PGI travels. Okay? So, yan. Paano naman magiging prime? Ito naman yung tanong ng mga nanonood. How can I become prime? Kasi di ba, from SE, GE, and GA, pwede pa palang maging prime. So, pwede ka maging SE prime, GE prime, and GA prime. Ito lang po yung mga requirements. Yan po. Sa prime monitoring, pag kinlik mo yan, makikita mo dyan kung na-achieve mo na yung requirements or hindi pa. Ano yung mga requirements? Personal consumption, Yan, or PMA, buy and avail your personal consumption products. Dapat naka-PMA ka regularly, di ba? Most active line must produce at least 1 point. So yung most active line mo o yung active leg mo, that nagpo-produce ng 1 point. And minimum of 2 moving legs or direct. Dalawang direct mo ang gumagalaw at nagwo-work. And 10% of the total monthly production coming from other legs or other directs. Hindi lahat nanggagaling doon sa strong leg lang or strong account mo lamang. Okay? So, if you are looking at the points, makikita mo dyan. Active yung 2 minimum directs. Most active line produce at least 1 point. Tapos 10% ng total production coming from the other legs. So, andyan ang mga training team mo, si Makong Enrile, yours truly, Sir Bong Aspirin, si Coach, Doc Butch, Dr. Rachel, secretary pa, di ba? Murphy Eday, di ba? Andyan lahat. So, makikita mo dyan sa Prime Monitoring. And you can also see kung ikaw ay malapit na mag-qualify or may mga konting kulang ka na lang. Okay? Now, again, pag nakapag-Prime Monitoring ka, may available ka na more than 30 GC, you can convert that into Prime. So, kapag may PGI ka na convert mo na into PGI, then you can use the PGI balance to purchase. Yan, o bibili mo to or i-convert mo, i-avail mo itong ating mga local travels or international travels. Ayan, o. Merong Boracay Travel, 3 days, 2 nights incentive, or Boracay Travel na 4 days and 3 nights. Meron ding Coron, meron ding mga iba-ibang lugar na talagang may enjoy nyo using our PGI travel. Okay? So, sa lahat ng mga nakapag-PGI dito, mag-ingay naman kayo, galaw-galaw. Di ba? Ano ba yung mga PGI travels na na-enjoy ninyo? Or, ano ba yung gadget sa PGI yung na-claim mo? Di ba? Using your PGI balance or PGI points na meron ka. Okay? Yan. Mamimili lang po kayo sa mga available na mga PGI travels po natin. Okay? Now, let's go to the reorder. Now, ano ba yung reorder? Dito naman sa reorder, makikita mo naman dito yung history ng bawat produkto yan, na pina-purchase mo. Yan. So, yung mga personal purchases mo, nandito yung kanilang reorder history. Okay? So, lahat ng binili mo, makikita mo rin dyan yung particular product, the points, di ba? At makikita mo rin yung commissional points and positional points ng bawat produkto na binibili mo. So makikita mo kung ikaw ay already near dun sa ginagawa sa kailangan mong gawin na personal monthly achievement or hindi pa. Okay? So pag again, nag-purchase ka ng iGlow, collagen, itong iGlow, serum natin, hydrolyzed collagen tripeptide, naku, makikita mo dyan sa iyong reorder history. Alright? Now, bukod dyan, bukod sa reorder, saan naman napupunta yung mga binili mo, mga reorder mo na hindi mo pa nagagamit. Yan. Dito mo naman yan sa e-store, makikita. Alright? Sa e-store, makikita mo dyan yung inventory. Yan, ng mga products na iyong binili. Yan, kamukha ni Rose Lazaro na nasa Saudi. Kapag si Rose Lazaro ay bumibili ng maraming produkto, yan, makikita niya yung mga products na nandiyan dyan at meron pa siya mga remaining quantities na available. Ayan ha. So yung Colidus, makikita niya yan. Yung Colidus, may 20 pa. Yung C24, ED24/7, and etc. So, kapag marami ka pang products dyan, pwede mong gamitin itong mga products na to for your personal monthly achievement noon. Meron tayo again, flavor of the month, ang ating PMA of the month, itong iGlow Serum. Yan, no? Hydrolyzed collagen tripeptide, at syempre yung ating nakikita mo naman yung iGlow collagen natin, di ba? Yan, dapat ito yung gagamitin mo for your personal monthly achievement. Pero kung meron ka pang mga product dyan, pwede mo naman gamitin to assign the points. Yan, so pwede mong ilagay yan. Halimbawa, meron ka dyan, yan yung mga points. Pwede mong ilagay yung quantity kung ilan yung gusto mo, yung user ID kung kanino mo i-assign yung mga points at isi-send mo lang, okay? So, itong mga remaining products na yan, pwede mo naman i-transfer yan sa downlines mo. Yan, okay? Why? Because kung ano man yung points na ilagay mo sa downline mo, aakyat din naman sa'yo. Magpo-flow din naman pataas sa'yo, okay? So, all these remaining points are transferable to your leaders. Pwede mo rin yan ibigay sa mga leaders mo, yan, para madagdagan yung points nila should, if they are needing points para maging silver executive or gold executive or whatever the target position they might have. Okay? So yan, pwede mong i-transfer. Okay? Yung mga points na yan, importante na monitor mo yan because syempre yung mga points na yan, it will be expiring in 60 days. Ayan. So dapat alam mo na yung mga points dyan, mga products dyan, kailangan mo rin gamitin. I-assign mo rin. Okay? Now, yan o. So kapag meron ka dyang available, 6, lagay mo yan 2, lalagay mo lang kung nasa left or nasa right yung downline at ilagay mo yung kanyang user ID and click send. Ayan. So para alam mo kung kailan mag-expire, makikita mo naman dyan sa ilalim ng send, may mga expiry date. Make sure lang na hindi ka ma-expire ng mga products na available sa iyong inventory. Okay? Para ma-maximize mo rin yung mga points na meron dito. Okay? Now, let's proceed dito naman sa network menu, itong genealogy na tinatawag natin. Sa genealogy, makikita mo dyan, ito yung family tree ng iyong business. So, hindi ba sa organization mo, you have, pag nagbibilog-bilog tayo, there's left sales group and there is right sales group. Ayan. So, makikita mo dyan, yung mga kulay blue, yung mga kulay blue na nakikita mo, these are the accounts na meron nang nakalagay na downline or distributor. May naka-place na dyan sa mga spots or position na yan. Now, what about the other position, yung ibang mga box dyan? Yung kulay gray naman, nakikita mo yan, these are the available slots for encoding. So dito mo naman ilalagay yung mga partners, downlines, and distributors na gusto mong i-register o gusto mong idagdag sa organization mo. Okay? Now, why is it like this? Depende po yan. Kanya-kanya po kasi silang paggawa ng family tree. You can have it perfect family structure na by 3s or by 7 or by 15. Pero yan, makikita yan ng mga leaders talaga kung paano nila gagawa ng strategy on how they can work on the account simultaneously at magbibigay ng magandang benefit sa kanila. Kaya pwede mo namang buuin lahat yan or lagyan lahat yan. Pero yung iba, they take time and, they strategize yung kanilang structure para mas maganda yung magiging result sa kanilang income and sa kanilang profits. Okay? Now, halimbawa, magre-register ako dito sa slot number 17. I-register ko halimbawa dyan si Elizabeth. Yan. Si Elizabeth, i-register ko dyan. Bumili na si Elizabeth ng package. May username and code na yung kanyang package. So, pag kinlik ko yan, makikita ko dyan yung option kung anong account yung kanyang bubuksan. It can be for your personal account or magdadagdag ka ng account, add accounts, or for business partner or Easy Ed Plan account. So since it's coming from my new partner kay Elizabeth, ikiklik ko dyan yung business partner Easy and Ed Plan account. So pag click ko ng continue, i-redirect ako ngayon. Siyempre, kailangan mong bigyan ng ibigay yung mga info niya. So i-register mo, click mo yung register, at ipoprovide mo yung mga account information na kailangan dyan. First name, middle name, last name, birth date nung bago mong partner, and then yung account access. Yan. Dito na yung magsiset ka ng user ID mo, mag-a-assign ka ng password naman sa iyong account. Siyempre, in the package na binili mo, meron niyang sponsors, meron niyang code na gagamitin mo, pero bago yon, wag mo kakalimutan yung information na kung saan mo ilalagay yan, kung sino ba yung sponsor at sino ba yung upline. Now, anong kaiba ng upline and sponsor ID? Yung sponsor ID, kapag yun ang nilagay mo, siya yung magre-receive ng direct referral bonus. Yung upline ID naman, kung kanino mo i-connect yung tao, sino yung magiging direct upline niya in the genealogy or in the structure. Okay? Pag nalagay mo na yung info dyan, click mo lang ng continue. Alright? And then, magpo-proceed ka na sa account activation. Okay? By the way, ito, kailangan mong i-identify ito kung nasa left or right ba siya, kung saan mo ilalagay yung bagong downline or bagong member mo. Okay? So, halimbawa, sponsor is myself. Ilalagay ko si Elizabeth to my right. Yan, ilalagay ko yung right at ilalagay ko kung sino yung upline. Kung ako yung sponsor, ako rin yung upline, then the info should be the same. Okay? The next, continue mo yan, lalabas naman yung activation info. Ito na yung sinasabi ko kanina, yung mga activation code ng mga package na binibili natin. So there's user ID and there's PIN na ilalagay mo po dyan. So itatype mo lang yan Yan po ay binibigay sa inyo when you buy the package sa ating sales counter, sa head office, or sa mga BCO centers around the Philippines. So, lagay mo lang yung details, click continue, and then, ma-add mo na yung partner mo or yung bagong downline mo. Alright? Yan. Galing, diba? Pakadali lang. Very easy. Ngayon, para sa mga OFWs naman, baka magtatanong sila, paano naman kami, sir? How can we buy the package? If we have sign up, if we have prospect, nandito kami sa ibang bansa, how can we buy their package if we cannot travel to Philippines? Di ba? Ito po good news kasi meron tayong Easy Online Shop. Sa Easy Online Shop, pwede kayong bumili dito ng mga packages natin. Pwede rin kayong bumili ng mga reorders. Ayan, shout out lang kay Ma'am Gemma Hamisola, watching right now. Ayan, si Tita Gemma, napakagaling at napakahusay na upline and mentor. Kasi napakaganda ng kanyang organization and keeps on growing. Di ba? So, halimbawa, si Ma'am Gemma, Tita Gemma, ang dami niyang partners sa Cebu area. May mga partners din siya sa ibang bansa. So, what they normally do, yung mga nasa ibang bansa, bumibili sila dito sa ating online shop. Okay? Sa Easy Shop. So, pwede mong ilagay yung ano mo dyan, yung username and password mo. Same information lang yan sa DTC mo. Okay? Yan. So, ito po, i-screenshot nyo ito. easyverse.empoweredconsumerism.com or shop.empoweredconsumerism.com. Yan po Yan shout out daw sa EFFI family. Yan, shout out sa inyo lahat Okay. So halimbawa, nandito na tayo sa ating online shop. Yan, pipili ka ng package kung anong bibilin mo. So halimbawa, bibili ako ng Technoverse package. All I need to do is click add to cart. Yan, siguro naman alam na alam niyo yung add to cart. Yan Yan, alam na alam niyo yung add to cart kasi marami yung mga nag-add to cart na kasi may mga pumasok na income yun sa mga yan. So add to cart, tapos kapag okay ka na dyan, wala ka nang ibang idadagdag sa cart mo or bibilhin mo, click mo lang yung checkout. Yan. So kapag click ng checkout, magpo-proceed ka naman dito sa information na ibibigay mo kung saan naman yan i-deliver, yan, kung branch pickup ba yan, or yan i-deliver sa'yo. Ngayon, halimbawa, ito po nakikita niyo yan, yung Neoverse package, meron lang po dyan na, halimbawa, branch pickup, it's zero naman ang, ang fee dyan, etc. Okay? So, ilalagay mo lang dyan sa branch kung saan nyo po pipick upin, whether it's head office, Cebu, Baguio, Calao, Davao, Las Piñas, Bulacan, or some branch po malapit sa inyo. Okay? Now, sa checkout naman, of course, nalagay mo na yon. Kailangan mo naman ma-proceed yan yung ating payment method. Ayan. So, billing details. Kung ikaw ay, kung ikaw ay hindi pa part ng community at bibili ka, nalagay mo yung billing details mo yan. Okay? Kung sakaling part ka na naman ng community, yan, pwede mo nang gamitin yung ating tinatawag na Easy Wallet kanina. Ayan, Easy Wallet Sa Easy Wallet naman natin, ito yung kaninang pinakita ko kanina dito sa dashboard. Yan, Easy Wallet. Halimbawa, ang Easy Wallet ko ay may laman na 5,036 pesos and 20 cents. So, bumili ako ng Technoverse package. Hindi sapat. So, what I can do, I can click my Easy Wallet, tapos click ko lang yung reload now. Magta-top up ako ng amount. Yan, para mabili ko yung package. So, reload now. Pwede ako mag-reload ng 50,000 pesos and then click ko lang yung proceed. Okay? So, pag click ko ng proceed, ayan, kailangan i-enter yung OTP. Yung OTP, marireceive mo naman yan sa cellphone number. Yan, na in-input mo or yung nakaregister sa yung details, isa-send yan. Ito, magsisend sa yung OTP na yan. At yan naman yung ilalagay mo dito na details. Paglagay mo yan, click mo ng proceed. And, yan na. Magkakaroon na ng enough fund yung iyong Easy Wallet. And, yan, pwede ka na mag-check out ng iyong order dito sa ating online shop. Okay? So, kanina 5,000 lang, nag-top up tayo. So, there's enough amount already. So, makikita mo dyan. Yan, pwede mo nang i-check out yan. Yan, and confirm yung order. And then, magko-confirm sa'yo that your order has been placed. Nice, di ba? So, bumili ka through online, nagbayad ka through online, pipick upin mo na lang yung package dun sa particular branch na sinet mo. Okay? So, halimbawa, kung ikaw yung OFW, pwede mo na ipapick up dun sa taong prospect mo or partner mo or sa mentor mo at samahan yung bagong sign up mo or bagong member mo. Okay? Now, what about the login details or yung yung codes para naman mai-register yung bagong partner mo sa ating DTC. Dito mo naman yan makikita sa shop codes. Yan. So in the shop codes, makikita mo diyan, andiyan po yung kanyang details. Yung binili, yan po, yung series, yung number niya, andiyan po yung nakalagay na user ID, yung PIN, andiyan na po, and then yung particular account o yung package na binili niya at yung date kailan pinurchase. So yan yung gagamitin mo ngayon to be able to register yung bagong direct mo or bagong sign up mo na bumili using our online platform. Okay? And syempre, yan sa mga bumibili naman ng mga multiple mga malalaking accounts, Technoverse, hindi lahat po ay magmamatch right away. So isang palo lang po yung magmamatch, yung first 1,200 points. The rest, nandito lang po yan sa package points at makikita nyo po dyan yung mga available na pwede mo pang gamitin for you to be able to match at ma-enjoy mo yung matching bonus o yung binary points na nakalagay sa particular package na yan. Okay? Now, ayan po, makikita mo yung action dyan. The first three sa baba, makikita mo dyan na nagamit na. Use na yung mga points, andyan din yung particular dates. Ngayon, dito naman sa remaining, yung tatlong nasa taas, may nakalagay pa na use points. Pwede mong i-click yan at gamitin mo yung points para mag-match yung iyong package points dun sa kabilang side or sa pairing side na tinatawag. Okay? Now, that is for the package points and yung sa mga shop codes to register that particular package na binili mo online. And makikita mo rin naman ang pinaka-importante sa lahat na syempre hindi mo dapat makakalimutan. Importante yung encashment. Now, sa encashment naman, dito mo makikita yung history ng mga encashment na ginawa mo, alright? O whether na yan ay in-encash mo through bank or check or tinapap mo naman sa iyong Easy Wallet. Now, what are you going to do para makapag-encash? Nakita mo dyan may balance yung lahat ng accounts mo, may balance din yung iyong particular account na open, pwede mong i-encash ngayon. So pag in-encash ko, mamimili ka lang po ng encashment. Either you encash through bank or you encash through check. Let's say I encash through bank. Sa ATM payout natin, ang BDO, from 5:01 a.m. to 5 a.m. the following day, marirelease yan or madideposited on the same day, 7 p.m. So halimbawa, nag-click ka ng 5:01 a.m. ng Monday to 5:01 a.m. ng Tuesday. Marirelease yan 7 p.m. ng Tuesday. So, nag-click ka naman ng 5:01 a.m. ng Tuesday to 5 a.m. ng Wednesday, marirelease naman yan ng Wednesday, 7 p.m. Nag-click ka ng Wednesday ng 5:01 up to 5 a.m. ng Thursday, marirelease naman yan ng 7 p.m. ng Thursday. Now, kapag nag-encash ka naman ng Thursday, from 5:01 to 5 a.m. ng Friday, marirelease naman yan by 7 p.m. Okay? Now, pag nag-encash ka ng Saturday and Sunday, it will be released the following week na po. Okay? Now, kapag ang pinili mo naman ay via check, check naman ang pinili mo. Now, all you need to do is click check at mag-select ka ng branch kung saan mo gustong ma-release or gusto mong i-claim ang iyong cheque na in-encash. So, let's say head office, ang kinlaim mo, ang nilagay mo dyan. Now, ito lang yung reminder sa check encashment. So, from Friday, 5:01 a.m. to Friday, 5:01 a.m. Release on the next Wednesday. So, ito po nag-click ka ng Monday, click ka ng Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Pag nag-click ka niyan, sorry, I think it's Monday, 5:01, Monday to Friday po yan. So, nag-click ka ng Monday to Friday until 5 a.m. Marirelease yung iyong encashment na check next week on the 10th, the following week na. Yan. Pero what's gonna happen naman kapag nag-encash ka ng Saturday and Sunday? Hindi na po siya makakasama ng Wednesday next week. Bakit po? Kasi hindi ka na nakasama dun sa batch na pine-prepare para ma-release next week. Kapag nag-click ka ng encashment ng check ng Saturday and Sunday, makakasama na yan dun sa batch sa susunod na linggo. So technically, ang check releasing natin, there is 1 week wait para ma-release ang iyong cheque. Kapag weekend ka naman nag-encash, there is 2 weeks waiting para naman ma-release or ma-receive mo ang iyong encashment through check. Okay? So ito po yung mga technicalities na I suppose alam mo na or baka yung iba medyo nakakalimutan. It is a reminder sa inyong lahat. And syempre sa mga bago, these are the information na dapat alam mo at dapat inaalam mo. And syempre dapat na kinakabisado mo rin so that you can relate the same information sa bagong grupo na makikreate mo para maiiwasan yung mga miscommunication, maiiwasan yung mismanagement ng oras, maiiwasan yung frustration on the part ng mga taong kailangan, especially when it comes to encashment. Diba? Kasi the more you know, the less challenge or the less problem ang pwede mong ma-experience. Okay? So ito po, yung information natin sa ating DTC Mastery, and I hope na lahat ng mga partners natin yan may natutunan, and of course na-remind kayo when it comes to our distributors tracking center. Okay? So again, this is something that we do regularly, kaya we encourage you to keep on attending, i-master nyo itong bagay na ito because for you to be able to become independent, dapat ikaw mismo with in-depth knowledge, hindi lang sa marketing plan, hindi lang sa product, kundi sa system mismo ng iyong negosyo, kung paano ito gumagana, paano ang mga sistema at yung mga bagay na kailangan mong malaman para patakbuhin ng maayos ang iyong negosyo. Okay? So thank you so much for joining us tonight. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanood from Quezon City, Philippines, Tacloban City, yan, Taiwan, yan sa lahat na kasama natin, especially the OFWs, yung mga onliners, and syempre lahat ng mga parts ng ating community sa buong Pilipinas. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. More power. And kita-kita po tayo lahat this coming November 13. Kasi po, nako, magaganap na po ang gathering ng lahat ng empowered leaders, empowered members, empowered community ng buong kumpanya natin. Magsasalo-salo na naman tayo at mag-inspire sa mga magagandang kwento, inspiring na mga messages, and of course, good news ng ating mga board of directors. At syempre, makikita nyo po dyan ang mga taong nagbago yung buhay, mga taong nagkaroon ng magandang sabi nga ni Coach dyan, nakaangat-angat from their level before joining our community. Na talagang masasabi mo na sobrang blessed to be part of this company and community Alliance in Motion Global kasi talagang hindi lang sila healthy with our products, they are working on their wealth as well habang ginagawa nila at sinishare yung negosyo. And of course, this coming November 13 at MOA Arena, i-award na po ang magiging Miss iGlow 2023. Yan o, kung sino yung magiging face ng ating iGlow Serum, hydrolyzed collagen tripeptide, at syempre yung ating iGlow Collagen. Yan o, yan, ma-award na po dyan. This is going to be the same night of the coronation ng ating Search for Miss iGlow 2023. Kaya huwag kang mawawala dyan. Be there at kailangan maramdaman mo yung energy at yung saya, yung excitement ng ating event this coming November 13, 2023. So how are you going to become part of this event? Simple lang. Secure your tickets now. Meron na lang tayong ilang linggo na nalalabay before this November 13. If I were you, bibili na ako ng ticket. I will call my upline. I'll call my sponsor. Or if you must, visit our office. Baka pwede ka bang bumili ng ticket from our counter area. Hindi ba? Or might as well, gather your team, strategize for this very day kasi magiging napakalaking event nito for this year. Mid-year recognition rally. Kaya huwag ka mawawala. Kasi pag nawala ka, ako, kulang ang excitement mo ngayong taon at marami kang mimimiss na mga good news and announcement this coming mid-year recognition rally. So anong gagawin mo? Secure your tickets now. Okay? May mga nakabili na ba ng mga ticket dito? Sige nga, kung nakabili ka na ng ticket, ano mo naman yan, i-flex mo naman yan, di ba? I-flex mo naman yan. Pero anyway, yan, you're welcome, Mafe. Sabi ni Mafe, Ayan, nationalis. Thank you daw. Yan. So, sa lahat ng kasama natin, don't miss this event. It's gonna be an exciting event for everyone. More good news, more, syempre, inspiring stories. Kung na-inspire ka last event natin ng September, there's more inspiration coming this mid-year recognition rally. Okay? So God bless everyone. I hope to see you there. Kita-kita po tayo dyan. Okay? So be excited, be empowered, and keep on sharing empowered consumerism business. God bless everyone and more power.